We are Can We Bark here, and we travel full-time in our RV with our dog Kona. Today we're going to be exploring Rocky Mountain National Park, so come along with us. It's time to get up. Ryan, daylight's burning. We gotta go get cinnamon rolls before we go into Rocky Mountain National Park. Come on. Ugh. You've already snoozed so many times.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go make coffee.
Okay.
It is a disaster in here. Yeah. I clean all this up before we take off and hit the road. All right, we just finished cleaning the entire RV. Ryan made the bed. We also made some coffee, but it's so clean. And Ryan's taking the trash out right now and walking Kona. And we're gonna run into town, Estes Park, and grab some cinnamon rolls. Yum. But first we gotta load up the bike and pack up outside and say goodbye to our harvest host. But I wanna show you where we've been staying really quick. We're 13 minutes from Estes Park, and we're staying right on this beautiful creek. It's been super convenient. We've been riding the bike back and forth after work so we can still enjoy the area. And since the park right now, all their campgrounds are closed, I think some will open up for winter, but not till October 23rd, and that's well after we've left. So this harvest host has been really convenient and perfect, but we're gonna have to go through the park in a day. We went into it last night, but since we can't stay inside the park, we're just gonna drive through it in a day and go to those viewpoints and maybe short hikes. So come along with us. Frosty. Oh, cute. Come on, let's go party. Go, Marty, go! Look at that curve! It's crazy that there's no signage of like what grade this is. This sign is no joke. It's windy. You got it, Marty. Here comes one.
The outside ones are easy peasy. It's the inside ones that are a little tight.
Yeah. Handling it like a pro. How fast?
Like 12.
15 almost.
I could give it a little more, but
Don't do it.
gentle.
Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Wow, Kona. We did it, and look at that immaculate view. Oh my God. Wow.
So great. Got here before they closed, but we didn't count on that.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
So we're having a pretty unfortunate morning. Cinnamon's Bakery was completely sold out before 10 a.m. when they closed. And then we called the travel line for Trail Ridge Road, and it is still closed. So we're just gonna park the RV at the visitor center and take the motorcycle. So not all hope is lost. We're just gonna have to work with what we have. Right, Ryan?
All right.
What was your idea? And then
What's this lady doing?
we're gonna go to
You roll
Boulder.
Samples?
What?
Oh, wow.
It's not Costco.
There was a crowd.
You don't want 1 hour
Size
parking.
Vehicle parking.
Oh yeah, we can park right here. Yay! Sorry, buddy, you can't come with. But we're gonna go on a quick ride, explore a little bit, and then we'll come back.
Just an hour.
It's been pretty chilly to be riding the bike, to say the least. So we wear 2 pairs of pants and at least 2 jackets. So we're layering up, and then Ryan's gonna make us some breakfast before we take off. And we'll hit the road. What's it gonna be, Ryan?
Breakfast sandwiches.
Nice. Ham, avocado, cheese, eggs. Ooh, and spicy mayo.
Oh.
Nice. All right, we're gonna pop off the bike really quick before the solar eclipse reaches 84%, because we wanna see it as covered as it's gonna get. So we're gonna do this really quick. Nice. Alright, we're going into Rocky Mountain National Park. We got a timed entrance pass. Wish us luck. It's a bit busy on this Saturday morning.
You have a reservation to come in today?
No.
So you need a reservation to enter the park every day from 9 to 2.
Okay.
So you have to come back after 2.
Okay.
Be careful when you turn around, there's another lane of traffic behind you.
Oh, this is depressing. I would say the general consensus is don't be like us and try to wing every park, because some of them are exceptionally busy. And our cinnamon rolls were sold out this morning. Then we were like, we're gonna drive around the Ridge Trail Road in the RV, and a section of that is closed, unfortunately. So we couldn't do that either. And we were like, okay, we'll take off the bike and we'll just ride around on the road and go to basically where the road's closed and still explore Rocky Mountain National Park. But turns out you need a permit between 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. As an entry permit, and we don't have one because we didn't plan, and so we got turned away. So just learn from our mistake. And also, while we're talking about permits, from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. if you're doing the Bear Lake corridor, you also need a permit for there too. Alright, we just got changed from our layers that we were ready to ride the motorcycle in the Rocky Mountain National Park, and we also just got parked in Boulder, Colorado. It is rather difficult to find parking on a Saturday because it's ridiculously busy, but we did find one about 4 blocks from Pearl Street, and we're gonna go check out downtown. And we're bringing Kona with, so hopefully they're at least a little dog friendly compared to Estes Park. We just made it to Pearl Street, and you know, because of how many people there are. Crowded to say the least. There's another dog.
Look it in the eyes. Smile a little bit.
I love that though. Nothing wrong with some enthusiasm.
Think she's gonna get treats. Connor, reel it in.
Enjoy, guys.
Awesome, thank you. Connor. But first, coffee before Breckenridge. How is it?
You can taste the fanciness.
Just had a great time walking around downtown, and now we are headed to Breckenridge. Load up. We made it to Breckenridge and we're starving, and it's 8:30 and we're finally eating. Good night, guys. Guys, thank you so much for sticking with us in today's unexpected events that could have honestly really ruined our day, but we made the most of it. And if you take anything away from this and you do face something like not being able to go into a national park when you've driven really far to go into it, just remember that there are other things to do, and just try to keep a positive mindset. If you could take a moment to like and subscribe, and also find us on Patreon and help us in any way that you can, the link is in the description. We'll see you guys again next Sunday. Thank you. Thank you.